Honorable Governor Sahab, it's such a pleasure to have you here. I'm so happy that my dad got this award, Lifetime Achievement. Maiseka sir, Solanki sir is here. I'm so glad Shravan sir is here, KP sir. Friends, it's been, I'm so happy that these awards were done. These awards were basically, when I spoke to the jury, we said, categorically, that it's not only about their personal achievements, but when you choose the awardees, you all should actually try and ensure that the awardees have some way or the other contributed to the nation. And I'm so glad that all these people here have contributed to our country. Long live our country, and congratulations to all of you all for getting this award. This date of 12th Jan, we chose because this day today, for celebrating this function, 12th December, was basically, I'm an absent-minded person anyways. When I get into a classroom, wo bachche as it is kehte hain, sir, get your facts right, wo kabhi hua hi nahi aaj tak life mein. So 12th December was, the time we chose because 12th December 2004, पहला ख्याल आया था लेक्सिकन बनाने का. When we got onto a dining table, the family got together and we said, lexicon should be made, but it should not be just a school that will teach physics and chemistry. Lexicon should be a school that will teach values to children as well. Because you are what you are because of the values that you possess. Yes, you should have knowledge. I am not saying you should not be good at maths, but you all should also know how to respect your parents. You all should know how to work with your co-person. All these values are so important that a person should possess, and we thought as a family that we should have a school where values will be taught. So we started this school with a lot of loans. हम पंजाब नेशनल बैंक के पास गए, loans लिए. We got principals from abroad, we got the teachers from some other countries, and we started a top-class school. But unfortunately, we had only 19 students. 19 students, EMIs were on the head, loans were there, salaries to be paid. Believe me, those years were hell. हमको ऐसे लगता था शायद कल स्कूल बिक जाएगा, परसों स्कूल बिक जाएगा. It was hell. But fortunately, Monisha, Dipti, my dad, my mom who's not here, Neeraj, the kind of dedication, the kind of hard work they put on to make this institute, you can't even imagine. We always wanted to somehow reach 200 figure. If we can reach 200 figures, we'll be able to pay these EMIs, we'll be able to pay these loans. 6 साल लग गए वो 200 नंबर तक पहुंचते, जिसमें हमारी ज़मीन भी बिक गई, हमारा घर एक बिक गया. Ornaments were sold of my mom, Monisha, Dipti. Everything was sold. But after 6 years, we started seeing growth. Today, fortunately, we have about 15,000 students studying all across our campuses. And I'm so glad. This COVID time, most of the management institutes also in our country have suffered tremendously. Most of the top-class management institutes have not started because the students did not turn up. The students took a drop. I feel we are probably the only institute in the country where we've just not started. We got double the numbers that we had last year. So something right must have happened. So heartiest congratulations to the team, to Nasir sir, to Sunita ma'am, to Ajay sir, Amul sir, all of you all who are here. I'm sorry I can't take all the names, but believe me, I've seen this family grow, and today we have about 1,000 people associated working in Lexicon, and I'm so glad that all of them dream, live and eat Lexicon. It's not only about numbers, but it's also about we getting a few recognition, like Lexicon appeared in the Forbes magazine. That was something that made me so proud that in about just 10-12 years, this institute has made up there. We came into the India Book of Records for having the most innovative curriculum. For the past 6-7 years, we've been appearing as #1 institute of Pune by Times of India. So all these things have made me so proud, but dil hamesha aur chahta hai. So we just started a research institute. And what Oxford has done for the world, where they made a vaccine, and that's what they've given to the world. That's my dream, that lexicons should somehow contribute to the world, and hence, this research organization has been attached to lexicons. So tomorrow, when we produce research papers like what he's just presented it to the governor, these papers should be presented it to the government, to the corporate, so that it gives a direction to the government as to what they should be thinking or what actions they should be taking. And I'm sure, another maybe 2 or 3 years, this research institute will probably create what it is meant to create. Finally, I'd like to tell you that during this COVID time, the day Modi साहब announced lockdown, उससे कुछ दिन पहले we closed the institutes, because we had probably anticipated that something drastic is going to happen when we looked at the other countries. We felt the life of our children was probably very, very important. We went for a lockdown, we closed our institute, but believe me, within 48 hours, we had our online teaching ready. Schools took about 2 months, 3 months, maybe some more than that to get their online things in place. 48 hours, lexicon students were doing online studies. That's the kind of quickness that our community, our teaching community, the management, and everybody showed. But there is one thing that we saw during this few months. We realized it's not about teaching students. It's about understanding students. इन दिनों में ये बच्चे जो थे, they went through a lot of mental pressure. They could not go out to play. They could not meet friends. They could not come to school. They could not meet teachers. They were only on the laptops, and believe me, they went through mental illness, so many of them. We immediately activated our counselors. We said, अगर हम 2 subject कम भी पढ़ा दे कोई बात नहीं, but we have to ensure that our students stay happy. They don't do something wrong that they will do in a fit of mental anger that they will do. I would also take this opportunity from this platform to speak to all the school teachers all across the country, to all the school management, to the government, that it's okay if we teach one subject less. We Indians have the capacity to cover up left, right, and center. We can just do it to our best ability, I know that. But if these lives are compromised, we will all feel sad as to what wrong we've done. So all of our schools should have our counselors very active. The moment they hear a negative word anywhere, they should call that school student, or they should probably go and visit his house, but ensure that we have a happy student, we have a happy teacher. Lastly, I'd like to thank Governor Sahab. इनसे सीखने के लिए इतना कुछ है. जब भी इनके पास जाओ, इतनी अच्छी चीजें बताते हैं जो दिल को इतनी प्यारी लगती हैं. I share such a wonderful relationship with him. इतने प्यार से मिलते हैं लोगों को, इतनी अच्छी संस्कार देते हैं. I always felt कि ऐसे अगर इंसान मेरे बच्चों से, मेरे टीचर्स से मिलें और उनसे बात करें, so much of positive energy we also get from person like him. कोई इनसे सीखे कि इस पोजीशन पे पहुंचने के बाद भी जमीन पे गड़ा रहना कितना जरूरी है और कितना अच्छा लगता है ऐसे इंसानों को मिलके जो जमीन से जुड़े हुए हैं. So thank you sir, आप यहाँ पर आए, हमारी पूरे प्रोग्राम की शोभा बढ़ाई, बड़ा अच्छा लगा हमें. And congratulations all the awardees, and let's hope this new year comes up well for all of us. Jai Hind.